Schlage Connect smart locks use Z-Wave technology to communicate securely with a smart home hub. These locks, like the Schlage Connect models, provide keyless entry and remote control capabilities. Z-Wave is a secure, low-power wireless protocol designed specifically for smart home devices. Z-Wave creates a mesh network where devices communicate through each other, extending range and reliability. This protocol operates at low power, ensuring long battery life for devices like smart locks. To control a Schlage Connect lock remotely, you need a compatible Z-Wave hub. Examples include Samsung SmartThings, Ring Alarm, and Wink hubs. Newer Schlage Connect models also support Matter protocol for wider compatibility with various smart home ecosystems. This allows seamless integration with platforms like Apple HomeKit and Google Home. First, ensure you have your Schlage Connect lock ready. Next, you'll need a compatible Z-Wave hub for connection. Have the Schlage Home app or your Hubs app installed on your device. Ensure the lock has fresh 4A batteries installed. Have your smartphone or tablet ready with a stable internet connection. Finally, know your lock's programming code, found in the Schlage app or manual. To connect your Schlage Connect lock to a Z-Wave hub, you first need to put the lock into pairing mode. The method varies by model. For most models, press and hold the button on the interior side of the lock for 3 to 5 seconds, or enter a programming code via the keypad. For keypad models, use the illuminated keys to enter the specific programming code found in your lock's manual. Always consult your lock's manual for the exact steps to activate Z-Wave inclusion mode. Open your Z-Wave Hubs app, such as SmartThings, Ring, or Wink. This app acts as the central control for managing your smart devices. Navigate to the Add Device or Add New Device section within the app. This is typically found in the Settings or Device Management area. Once in the Add Device section, the app will automatically start scanning for nearby Z-Wave devices. Ensure your Schlage Connect lock is in pairing mode from the previous steps. Follow the on-screen prompts in the app to complete the pairing process. The hub should detect and recognize your Schlage Connect lock in the Z-Wave network. Once the Schlage Connect lock is paired, verify the connection in your app. Open the Schlage Home app or your Hubs app to confirm the lock appears and shows an online status. Test remote locking and unlocking. In the app, tap the lock or unlock button. The physical lock should respond immediately, confirming remote control works. Check for notifications. When you lock or unlock the door remotely, or when someone uses a code, you should receive app notifications about status changes. Test access codes. Enter a programmed code on the lock's keypad. If it unlocks, the code is working correctly. Test multiple codes if you have them. If any issues arise, check for Z-Wave interference. Move the hub away from devices like microwaves that can disrupt the signal. The lock should connect reliably in a clear mesh network. If pairing fails, first check the Z-Wave range. The lock must be within 100 feet of your hub for reliable connection. Z-Wave signals can be blocked by walls or distance. To extend range, add Z-Wave repeaters. These devices create a mesh network, passing signals between devices. Place repeaters midway between hub and lock for better coverage. Check for wireless interference. Z-Wave uses 908.42 MHz, but can be affected by devices operating at similar frequencies like microwaves or 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Move interfering devices away or change channels. Update your hub's firmware. Outdated software can prevent proper Z-Wave pairing. Use the Hubs app to check for and install updates, which often fix connectivity bugs. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on both the lock and the hub. This clears all settings and connections. Refer to manuals for reset procedures, then start pairing from scratch. Regularly update your locks and hubs firmware to patch security vulnerabilities and ensure optimal performance. Use the Schlage Home app to check for and install updates. Use strong, unique access codes for your lock. Avoid simple or default pins and change them periodically to maintain security. Monitor activity logs through the Schlage app to spot suspicious entries. Review timestamps and access methods and enable notifications for any unusual activity. Replace batteries every 2 to 3 years or when the lock indicates low power. Use 4AA batteries and ensure proper installation for continued operation. Be aware of potential Z-Wave jamming attacks. If concerned about security, consider locks with hybrid protocols that combine Z-Wave with other technologies for added protection.